recording. So part 2, conic section. Today we will see parabola. So if we take a fixed point, here suppose this is a fixed point and there is a fixed line here. You draw a fixed line and fixed point, okay? This is what? This is called fixed. This is a fixed point. Fixed point. Now in 2D, how they are making this diagram in fixed in 2D. 3D we have seen the conic section. Now this is a fixed line, okay? If we move a point so that it remains at an equal distance from this point and this line, okay? So let's take another color. Okay, so now I think you have some problem in hearing your gadget. Others are hearing me, so just check. So fixed line and fixed point. Another point is moving from here. This point is at an equidistance from here to here, from this line and this point. If you will start moving this point so that it remains at an equal distance from this line and this point, so this will move like this. This will move like this, okay? And here also, so this will make a figure like this. Okay, that means parabola. You will get the figure of parabola that you can see here. This is a parabola. Like this you will get. It will not end. It will have at infinity one end and other end, and behaviors will be at infinity. Okay, so this fixed point is called the focus. This fixed point is called the focus of the parabola, and this fixed line is called the latus rectum. This fixed line is called latus rectum. Okay, so there are some standard parabolas. We are just seeing the standard parabolas. Standard parabolas means they are following some standard forms. Means we will see this parabola. First of all, y square equal to 4ax. This is the fixed first right hand side parabola. So here you can see this is x-axis, this is origin, this point is the origin, and this is x-axis xo, or you can extend here till here. Anywhere you can extend x dash. This is origin. Okay. So if you see this parabola, it is just touching at origin. Okay. And its fixed point is at a distance of a actually. It is at a distance of a. Small a. We are denoting by small a. Therefore, the coordinates of this point will be a0 because it is on x-axis. Y coordinate will be 0. And a, where it touches the line y o y dash y axis, this point, or you can say where it cuts the x-axis, or this is the point which is called the vertex. A is the vertex of this parabola. Okay, and as you have seen, this is distance a, so this distance will be minus a. Obviously this distance from here to here, this will be minus a. This distance will be minus a because it will be equal. I told you that latus rectum is at an equal distance from the focus. So, and any line, equation of the y-axis is x is equal to 0. So, equation of this line will be equal to x is equal to minus a, that we have seen in the equation of lines, equations parallel to y-axis and x-axis. So, and the equation of this parabola is y square is equal to 4ax. And length of latus rectum. So you can see here, this is the table I am giving you, that you can see this vertex of this parabola y square equal to 4x is 0, 0. Focus is a0. Equation of the x-axis equation is always y is equal to 0. Length of latus rectum, this latus rectum, yes. So this line is not latus rectum. Latus rectum is a, just rub this. This is not latus rectum. This line is called directrix. Okay. So equation of directrix is x is equal to minus a, and the latus rectum is a chord which is perpendicular to x-axis and passing through the focus L dash. That's why it has a length L dash. L dash is the latus rectum. Let us see here in the diagram. The latus rectum is a chord which is perpendicular to x-axis and passing through the focus. This is the latus rectum. This line is called latus rectum. So it will intersect at 2 points L and L dash. Let's see L dash. So this is the length of latus rectum is equal to L dash is equal to 4a. This length will be 4a. Focal distance of a point means the distance of a point from the focus. Suppose this is a point anywhere. If you will take, just make it bigger also. And if you take any point P here, whose coordinates may be x, y, any. So this distance of the point from the focus is a plus x. So that is called focal distance of a point. So that is always a plus x. So just remember, y square is equal to 4ax is the right, open on right side parabola. You can say right parabola. And if you will make the opposite of this, so then focus will come here, directrix will come here. Length of latus rectum will be same. Length of latus rectum is here also. Here L dash. L dash is equal to 4a. Here also L. This is suppose L and L dash. So L dash will be equal to 4a here also. Okay. And this distance will be minus a. Therefore, the focus will be minus a0. And equation will be, this equation is the equation of right side parabola. Left side parabola will be y square equal to minus 4ax. And direct equation of directrix will be x is equal to a. Okay. So this a minus x is the focal length. This you have to remember. Similarly, if it is a upward parabola, open upward, then its equation will be x square is equal to 4ay. And this focus will be on y-axis, so 0a, that is at a distance a always. So this is minus a, so y is equal to minus a is the equation of directrix. And similarly here, this will pass from here. This is called latus rectum, L dash. And in every case, L dash is 4a. You can see this. This is this one, 4a. Latus rectum is in each case 4a, 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 4a. The length of latus rectum is 4a only. The focus and equation of directrix are changing. So this equation of the parabola will be x square equal to 4ay. It is on y-axis, opens up, and it is also on y-axis, opens down. So its equation will be x square minus 4ay, and focus will be as 0 minus a, and directrix equation of directrix is this one. So you can refer this table to do the questions. So it's very, very important to remember it. And if you remember the diagram, you can remember everything. Okay. Now we can start the questions on parabola. Okay. Question number 1. In each of the following, find the coordinates of the focus. We have to find the focus axis of parabola, whether it is on x-axis or y-axis, equation of the directrix, and length of latus rectum. So question number 1 is y square is equal to 12x. Correct? Y square is equal to 12x. So this is the parabola, which is this type of parabola, right side parabola. Okay. So A0 focus will be A0. First, we have to find the coordinates of focus A0. So A. So this will be, that means it is compare with, because this is right side parabola, so compare it with y square is equal to 4ax. That means 4a is equal to 12. If you will compare 4a is equal to 12, a is equal to 12 by 4, 12 divided by 4, 4 3 is 12. So a is 3. So as you got a, only a is unknown here in this equation. If you get a, you can find everything related to this parabola. So they have asked to find the coordinates. The coordinates of the focus. Therefore, we will write here focus denoted by S generally 30. Sorry, 30. Okay, focus is 3 and 0. Then second thing, axis of the parabola. Axis of parabola is x-axis. Okay, so axis of the parabola is x-axis, and its equation axis of parabola means equation of axis of parabola, that is y is equal to 0. This is the equation of axis of parabola. Okay. Then equation of the directrix. Equation of the directrix will be at a distance, this one, and equation it is minus a, and this is parallel to y-axis, so x is equal to minus a. X is equal to minus a will be the equation of directrix. Therefore, a is here. So equation of directrix, bracket I will write here. Here it will be x is equal to minus a, is x is equal to minus a. A is what? 3. So minus 3. Or you can bring 3 this side. So x plus 3 is equal to 0. Then length of latus rectum. I told you length of latus rectum is always 4a. So length of latus rectum is equal to 4a. So a is what? 3. 4 3 is 12. So length of latus rectum is 12. So you have to see this. Which type of parabola is this? Then you can refer the table. I just in the video you can write down and then you can refer it. Or you can refer your textbook also. So that is question number 1. The rest of the questions you have to try. Now question number 7. Focus and directrix are given. What we have to find? Find the equation of the parabola. Now we have to find the equations of the parabola. Question number 7. Question number, yes, 7. Focus and directrix. Now this shows that this focus is right side and directrix is left side. So its equation, focus is 60. That means its focus is A0, because on x-axis, and directrix is left side because x is equal to minus 6. So A, that is equal to here 60. You can compare. So A is equal to, you got 6. Find the equation, and this equation is y square is equal to 4ax. This is right side parabola. Y is equal to y square is equal to 4ax. Put the value of a, 6, 4 into 6, x. So y square is equal to 6 4 the 24x is the equation of this parabola. So you have to see that which type of parabola is this. Directrix now it is directrix is equal to y is equal to 3. That means it is parallel to x-axis. Equation of x-axis is y is equal to 0. Y is equal to 3 means 1, 2, 3. This directrix will be here. When it is here, directrix is here, y is equal to 3. Then obviously the parabola will be opposite side. This parabola will be this one. And this one is the equation of x square is equal to minus 4ay. This side is y square equal to 4ax. Upper side is equal to x square 4ay. Down is x square minus 4ay. So that means its focus will lie somewhere here on y-axis. So y-axis x coordinate is 0 and 0 minus a will be its focus. 0 minus a. So this you compare with the, or you can say this is focus. So here focus is what? 0 minus a is the focus. And here you have given the focus as 0 minus 3. So a is equal to 3. You are getting a is equal to 3. Put in first. We get the equation of the parabola. Put in first. We get the equation of parabola. X square is equal to minus 4 into 3 into y. So x square minus 4 3 the 12y. Okay. So if focus is given, very easy to find the equation. Focus. So this also you can do it easily. Question number 9. It is focus on right side. So this is y square is equal to 4ax parabola, and its focus is on left side on x-axis. Y coordinate is 0. Therefore, this is y square is equal to minus 4ax. And a is already 3 here. You can directly put a is equal to 3. So 12x. You got the answer. Y square is equal to 12x. Here y square is equal to a is equal to 2. If you will compare, so minus 4 3 is 12x. And vertex is always 0 0 in the standard form. It is not in your course, but can be anywhere. You have some questions if you go for higher questions, but in textbook not given like that. The vertex is 0 0 passing through axis is along x-axis. Enough information will be given in the question. So these two questions we have to complete this exercise. 10 minutes are left. Then next time we will start ellipse. Okay. Now, according to the given information, you have to think about the diagram. Vertex is 0 0 passing through axis is along x-axis. Passing through 2 3. So passing through 2 3, where the 2 3 will lie, both are positive. 2 3 will lie here in first quadrant, and this vertex is passing through 0 0. That means it will be the like this parabola. The tracing will be like this, and it is passing through this point, and vertex is 0 0. Find the equation of the parabola. So let the equation be y square is equal to 4ax. First, you have to decide which equation we have to take for finding which parabola is this, and then you can go through the given conditions. Now here it is given 2 3 lies on this one. As I told you, that is supposed P point. So point P 2, 3 lies on first. Whenever any point lies on any curve, it will satisfy the equation of the curve. So x can be replaced by 2 and y can be replaced by 3. So we can put 3 square is equal to 4a into x, that is 2. So 3 3 is a 9, 4 2 is a 8a. So we got the value of a as 9 by 8. Put in first and get the equation of parabola. This you will put in first. We get the equation of parabola y square is equal to 4 to a, that is 9 by 8 x. So 4 to the 8. Y square is equal to 9 by 2x. Similar, that this question is similar to this one, but it is symmetric with the with respect to y-axis, and the point is again on the first quadrant. In the first quadrant, this 5 2 is in the first quadrant here. So obviously you have to draw like this so that it can pass from this point 5 2, vertex is 0 0, and similar question, but it is upward parabola. So upward is having equation as x square is equal to 4a by equation number 1. And since this point P lies on it, so it will satisfy. Lies on first. Therefore, we can put x is equal to 5 square is equal to 4a into 2. 4 to the 8, so 5 5 is 25, a is equal to 25 by 8. This you can put in first to get the required equation. The required equation of parabola. Put in first, we get x square is equal to 4 into 25 by 8. X, so 4 to the 8 by x square is equal to 25 by 2y. This is the equation, required equation of the parabola. The required equation of parabola. This is all about